Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the iCloud sync not working in Goodnotes in 2026. Have your iCloud sync not working in Goodnotes? This can stop your notes from updating across devices. Now, here's exactly how to fix it just by following some few simple steps. Before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and from there, you're gonna make sure to click and install on the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna search for it and click on install. Once the installation is completed, you're gonna launch the app. Now, after you launch the app, make sure Goodnotes has iCloud access. So you're gonna make sure on your iOS devices, you're gonna click on the gear settings, then you're gonna click on the integration. Now here, you're gonna make sure the cloud storage is connected. After that, you're gonna make sure your internet connection works. You're gonna swipe down this bar right here to check if the internet connection is stable and fast. You're gonna switch between Wi-Fi networks and even choose mobile data if it's better. Also, you're gonna have to restart your device if the problem is still occurring. So you're gonna hold the power button until you see the restart option. Then you're gonna click on restart and restart your device, then try again. You can also sign out and back into the iCloud if needed, and keep enough iCloud storage, use a stable Wi-Fi, and check sync status regularly. iCloud sync issues are usually easy to fix, so follow these steps and keep your notes updated. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.